Today video topic is the hash map in Java. Today topic is hash map and tree map in Java, and video date is 30 July. The first of all is a hash map in Java. The hash map class implement the map interface, which allows us to store key and value pair where keys should be unique. If we try to insert the duplicate key, it will replace the element of the corresponding key. It is easy to perform operations using the key index like updation, deletion, etc. Hashmap class is found in the java.util package. Hashmap in Java is like the legacy hash table class, but it is not synchronized. It allows us to store the null element as well, but there should be only one null key. Since Java 5 version, it is denoted as a hash map key value, where K stands K and V, where K stands for key and V for value. It inherit the abstract map class and implement the map interface. Java hash map content value based on the key. Java hash map contains only unique keys. Java hash map may have one null key and multiple null values. Java hash map is a non-synchronized. Java hash map maintain no order. Uh, uh, the initial default capacity of a Java HashMap class is 16 with the load factor of 0.17. The hierarchy of Java HashMap class is HashMap and class declaration. Hashmap classes parameters like k means k, it is a type of keys maintained by the map, and v, it is a type of mapped values. Constructor of a hashmap class is a hashmap, means it is a hashmap method. It is used to construct the default hashmap. uh, the methods of hashmap class is a clear method. It is used to remove all the mapping from the mappings from this map. Clone method, it is used to return the shallow copy of the hashmap instance. The key and value themselves are not clone. There are lots of method in a hash map. And the next is tree map in Java. The tree map class is a red black tree based implementation. It provides an efficient mean of storing key value pair in a stored sorted order. The important point about the tree map class are: Java tree map content value based on the key. It implement the navigable map interface and extends abstract map class. Java tree map contain only unique element. Java tree map cannot have a null key but can have a multiple null values. Java tree map is a non-synchronized. Java tree map maintain ascending order. Maintain ascending order. Uh, the next is constructor of a Java tree map class is a tree map method. It is used to construct the empty tree map that will be stored using a neutral order to its key. And methods of a Java tree map is a lots of method in Java tree map, Java tree map. So this is all about the Java hash map and Java tree map. Thank you so much.